In this video, we're going to demonstrate spray technique by spraying primer onto paper. Although these techniques do apply to base coat and clear coat, different products do behave differently. Make sure that you read and follow all the instructions prior to starting your project. Paint is a very harmful chemical to your body. Always use our products in a well-ventilated area and always use a respirator. We're going to talk about primer, how to get your paint to the correct temperature, and the best nozzles to use. Primer provides a sound foundation for the top coats. If you spray paint directly onto bare body substrate like metal or fiberglass or plastic without primer coats, the paint would likely peel off or look rough. Apply primer over the whole repair area. That means the body filler, the self-etch primer, and the spot putty if needed. The prime coats protect against rusting and help fill tiny scratches and other flaws in the panel. Our spray cans will not spray correctly if they're too cold. We used a heat gun to warm our paint, but don't worry if you don't have one. Running some warm water over the paint works just as well. Warm the product to 60 degrees Fahrenheit or warmer. It does not have to be any exact temperature. Room temperature is a good rule of thumb. We had an excellent result with our can measured at 61 degrees. We call this a spray fan. A spray fan is the shape of the mist being pushed out of the can. Painting we're showing you how to do here, you're going to want about a 6 to 9 inch spray fan. Hold the can about 10 inches away from whatever it is you're painting. This is going to be a good place to start when you're testing your fan. We're sending you 2 different types of nozzles. First is a conical nozzle and then the flat fan nozzle. Each of the nozzles we're providing you have their own attributes as well as the jobs that they will each be better suited for. Be careful with the conical nozzle. The conical nozzle does emit much more product than the flat fan nozzle. We recommend using the flat fan nozzle primarily. The flat fan nozzle comes with an adjustable tip. This will allow you to change the orientation of the fan. When you receive it, it will be set in the vertical position. Using the flat fan nozzle, when you're applying the paint, apply the paint in 50% overlapping strips as shown here. That means each coat of paint that you lay down, you'll want to cover it again halfway. Practice applying the paint in very smooth, very consistent strokes, and make sure to release the nozzle button at the end of each stroke, and then applying pressure to the nozzle again just before the beginning of the next stroke. Trying to mimic the way that we are showing you how to use the flat fan nozzle in this video is a great starting point. Cutting your thumb and small finger as far apart as you can is an easy way to judge the distance of about 10 inches. 10 inches is also a great distance to start out at as a beginner using ERA paints. Purchase all of your do-it-yourself auto paint repair needs at erapaints.com. ERA Paints. Customer service is our primary goal. Please contact us with any questions or concerns you may have at customerservice@erapaints.com. And remember, please thoroughly read and follow all of the instructions before beginning your paint project.